What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from iDrive 360, home of what will be the world's tallest starflyer, known as the Orlando StarFlyer. We can see crews have finally added more segments to the tower, and we also have the seats. Yeah, so the main ride vehicle and seats are in place, and we of course have those other segments of tower right over there waiting. We have a much larger crane also on site, so we're gonna walk around a little bit and show you what's going on. Here we can see more of the tower segments and of course that new crane that's on site, and it's been doing the heavy lifting, but there's still plenty more to do. These structure pieces right here for the crane, and that's for added support. Once it reaches a certain height, it's going to need it when it's lifting really heavy segments. More of the ornamental elements are stacked up, ready to go. Here we can see one of the top pieces for the spire, now connected with the other piece, and it's really long. We're talking almost like 40, 35 feet, something like that. Still quite a few pieces left to put up, like we've said before, and we have the very top piece here, all chromed out, and the piece next to it, also chromed out. Those are going to be up at the very top, 450 feet in the air. Now we do know the official opening date for this has been set as May 11th. Yes, that is correct, May 11th. That should be the opening day, and we'll keep you posted for that, of course. Again, the very top section right here with the little chrome ball, and it's right next to all the cars right here for Charlie's Steakhouse, where Valet is. But very soon, that is going to be taller than the eye, way up there. Well guys, that is going to do it for another construction update here from the World Solid Starflyer, also known as the Orlando StarFlyer, and there's still a lot left to do. It's probably 75 to 100 feet in the air right now. We got to get up to 450. Remember, announcing May 11th, that is going to be the opening day for this bad boy. And of course, we're going to be there for testing and more construction updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.